Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving a system of equations. So in my system of equations, I have two equations. My first is AB plus A is equal to 32. So this is going to be my first equation. And my second equation is going to be AB plus B is equal to 35. So to solve this system of equations, I have to find the value of A and B. So to start out, what I'm going to do is subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 is AB plus A equals 32. So I have AB plus A minus AB plus B is equal to 32 minus 35. So to solve this, what I'm first going to do is distribute the negative sign. So now I get AB plus A minus AB minus B is equal to 32 minus 5, which is equal to negative 3. Now I can cancel out AB and negative AB, so I'm left with A minus B is equal to negative 3. And this means that A is equal to B minus 3. So now what I can do is substitute this value of A into equation number 2. So equation number 2 is AB plus B equals 35, right? Well, now that I've got a value of A in correlation to the value of B, I can plug this in. So now I get B minus 3 times B plus B is equal to 35. And now my only variable in this equation is B. So we can solve this. What I'm first going to do is distribute the B. B times B is B squared, and B times negative 3 is negative 3B. And now I have this plus B, which is equal to 35. And negative 3B plus B is equal to negative 2B. And if I subtract 35 on both sides, I get B squared minus 2B minus 35 is equal to 0. Now from here, what I'm going to do is actually add this back because we did miss a step. So B squared minus 2B is equal to 35 once again. Actually, before doing that, what I'm going to do is add 1 on both sides. So now I have B squared minus 2B plus 1 is equal to 36. And now the reason I did that is because B squared minus 2B plus 1 is the same thing as B minus 1 squared. And now I can take the square root on both sides because the square root of 36 is a whole number. And now I get B minus 1 is equal to positive or negative 6. So this gives me two equations. I get B minus 1 is equal to positive 6, and B minus 1 is equal to negative 6. So for B minus 1 equals positive 6, I can just add 1 on both sides, and I get B equals 7. And for B minus 1 equals negative 6, I can again add 1 on both sides, and I get B equals negative 5. So now from here, I have to plug this back in to this equation right here, AB plus B equals 35. So if B equals 7, I get 7A plus 7 is equal to 35, meaning 7A is equal to 28, and A equals 4. So if A equals 4, then B equals 7. This is one solution to my system equations. And now if B equals negative 5, I get negative 5A minus 5 is equal to 35, meaning negative 5A is equal to 40, and A equals negative 8. So if B equals negative 5, then A equals negative 8. So these are my two solutions. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 4 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x. So to solve this, I'm going to start off by dividing every term by 25 to the power of x. So I get 4 to the power of x divided by 25 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x divided by 25 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x divided by 25 to the power of x. Now the 25 and 25 cancel out for 1, so now I have 4 to the power of x over 25 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x over 25 to the power of x is equal to 1. Now if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 4 to the power of x over 25 to the power of x turns into 4 over 25 to the power of x. And 9 to the power of x over 25 to the power of x turns into 9 over 25 to the power of x. From here, I can rewrite 4 over 25 as 2 squared over 5 squared. And I can rewrite 9 over 25 as 3 squared over 5 squared. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, remember, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So 2 squared over 5 squared turns into 2 over 5 squared. And the same thing with 3 squared over 5 squared. So I get 3 over 5 squared. From here, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So the 2 and x multiply. So I get 2 over 5 to the power of 2x plus 3 over 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 1. And this means that 2x is equal to 1. So now if I divide both sides by 2, I get x is equal to 1/2. So this is my solution. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video. Bye.